Welcome to my channel. Today, I wanna share you on how to withdraw commissions on TikTok data as affiliate. Open TikTok app. Go to your profile. Then click the basket. Then click enter. Click on commissions. Then click withdraw. Then add a new payout method. Choose payout method. You can choose only bank transfer. Wait for the 4-digit code send.to your number. You should use active sale number.to your TikTok account because every time you withdraw your commission, now TikTok enter your code number and click next. Fill in your bank account. Example, Philippine National Bank, PNB. Then enter your bank account number. And also your active email address. Click submit. Click confirm. Type the amount you want to withdraw, or you can withdraw all. I tried to withdraw 550 and there's a 3.47 pesos service fee. It's success. That's all for today's video. Hope you like it and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.